Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the Celebrity Budget Chef. As you know, I'm Chef Dave Paul, right? Alright, every now and then we're going to bring in some celebrities and they're going to show us their way of throwing down in the kitchen, you know, create their favorite meals or whatever they want to cook. Alright, so today we have ReniGad, formerly ReniGad from the group RDX, and today I'm going to show you what I really can deal in the kitchen. Some boss.
Chop, chop.
Alright. Alright, so here are the rules what we have on. You know, we are work with. We have $1,000, right? So you do your little shopping and make sure everything come to under $1,000. You throw it down in the kitchen and show where you can mash up.
Alright. Yeah. Well, my name is ReniGad. Big up the professional chef. You know what I mean? We are runabout chef, so you know what I mean? Today we're going to cook a can saltfish with some coconut rice. I can see it play out. I can see if the $1,000 can stretch like elastic. So yeah, let's go. Oh, yes sir. That's how you saw fish there. $300 no time money a while ago now. This, yeah, $240. More couple pepper, but and a little sweet pepper. I'm not gonna use this way, I'm try to get a little sweet pepper, Jaja. Brown rice that though? Pound and a half? No, half pound. Nearly a pound. That's nearly a pound. Yeah. And get one of them here, you know? Rotted. $100.
Producing records.
So, oh boss, we know you're a top chef one thing, you know, because see you buy ingredients them and you know what you're going to cook, right? So, who really, from day one, who really show you a little running to go in the kitchen?
You know, so my mother do, Miss Rose, you know what I mean? I have to big up Mama Rose straight, see me, you see me?
Big up Mama Rose.
Yeah, and she really show me how to do the maths in the kitchen, you know what I mean? Because it's not like, them, when people teach you how to cook, you know, them not really asking, or them not giving instruction, you know. Them just cook and you have to follow.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So, you have to know what you do, so. And Mama Rose, I have to big up for that thing. And then you don't know where youth where you used to cook on the ends when we're up on the ground. And we do the chefing scene the same way, you know what I mean? Yeah. And me live to a yard where 2 ackee tree be in front of my yard, so you don't know, so I always go cook ackee and saltfish. I look at what on the side where we used to do so and cook under the tree, so and that's where your skills them come from, you know what I mean?
Alright, so next question I want to ask is why your favorite, you know, memory from your grow up in your younger days in the kitchen, you know?
Well, favorite memory you know, when Christmas come around and everybody do a little thing to make sure say the thing match up, you know what I mean? So some people with there are deal with like pudding and them thing there. You know what I mean? Because as we say, we grew up in a traditional home, you know, with elderly people around me, you know what I mean? So with grandmother, madam, big auntie and them something there. So we always make sure say we are chipping with our little piece of contribution. So sometimes them there and them a cook, them make, you know, sorrel or You know, them have gungo peas and them look something there, coconut and them look something there. Yeah, you know, them old traditional thing there. When it come to Christmas and the whole family come together and start do the mats.
Right.
Yeah. It's a vibe. And them thing there, sometimes even as an adult, when time I see people are cook and I smell, it remind you of them, it give a nostalgia kind of vibes, that's it. Yeah.
Say, a young lady come over, you know, come chill.
Yeah.
First time she come over, you want to impress her and show her, say, you have little skills and something, man, you know?
Yeah.
Where would I cook for her?
You know, so me that cook some sea creature though.
Sea creature?
Yeah. Steam down some sea creature and give her, you know what I mean? Because me's almost vegetarian, you know, you see me? Me not really eat meat and them kind of food unless like me up on the road and me not have a choice. But when me there at my house, me not really do meat and chicken and them something. The most thing are just vegetables and the sea creature then, yeah, you see me?
Alright, so this one, right? You don't know COVID are going,
yeah.
The place are run and everything.
Yeah.
Suppose, say for example, today the last day.
Jaja.
That come for him land and everything.
Yeah.
What probably a go-to meal where you would prepare are meals? If you have more than one, why last meal you would prepare?
Well, if we get one news and I look on the TV and them say, gotta come for him early and when I look nice car, I see chariot them forward. And it go reach by the time the day done. Alright, so you know, so the first meal with me would I cook still. Me da cook in the morning. Chances are I go cook an omelette. You know what I mean, with all of the things them in it, the bacon, them something there. Sausage, you know what I mean, a nice omelette. And then for lunch, I probably cook this one I cook now. One of my favorite lunch meals. And then for dinner, I probably do some mats up some fried rice. You see me? Because that's something I'm good at, very good at too. You know what I mean? I'm skillful on the fried rice. I mean, I probably mats up some fried rice in the evening and thing. You know what I mean? And then we just there after that, is it?
Yeah, man. Alright, makes sense. Alright, here my question now, because I don't understand, right? You say I want to say, almost vegetarian.
Yeah.
Me really saw some things the way I said. Actually, your last day of our earth.
Yeah, man, so your last day, man, you have to enjoy the meals them where bring back the fondest memories, you know. So, yeah, man, if I flick in, look at bacon and anything and look at sausages and anything, man, I make the thing match up, man.
Alright, that makes sense,
man. Yeah, guys. Burn some pepper and garlic in the oil. If you make the oil raw, you know what I mean? As them say. Then we do some boom and put in the onion in it. You know what I mean? Then we do some boom now and we are go there, what do you call it? Saute. We are do that with the saltfish and the onion and the thyme and the sweet pepper. You see me? So all of them they dashing at that now. Make sure you have a low flame. You see me? So when you do so boom, basically the way you do right, so you just get in the flavor from the sweet pepper, the garlic, everything mixed up in a saltfish, so the saltfish will feel isolated when time you touch your key, you see me? Yeah. When you do that thing, then a nice aroma will lift up, you see it? Chop. So we'll saute in this now. Want some black pepper? Want some black pepper, Michi? Please and thanks. So you mix in all of them things and make them blend in, you see me? Then I go show you the secret ingredient. You see it? After all of them things here, culminate and start out and the flavor lift up. Yes, so boom and put in your coconut milk now. So now, is it? Yes, make this go and simmer for a nice 5 hours so. This go on. But you know, so coconut milk have to cook. So, I have to make that cook else it hurts your belly. So, do some boom so I make that cook. And that chop, we go and look over the rice and so go on. Turn on the fire very low, make it steam. So you have to do the rice up, you know, a little something there. So. Yeah. Chop. So right here is ReniGad's celebrity budget chef meal. What I cook with $1,000 alone. Ackee, saltfish, coconut rice in a coconut sauce, choppings. See?
Alright guys, so we see what going on, right? Him come in the kitchen and him show we say him can really sort out proper meal. Everything smell good, everything tastes good, everything sort out. So we can take a look for those who, you know, if you never get to see it up close and personal. Alright. So remember, every week or every episode we're gonna have a celebrity just come through and show we what go on. So I want to reach out and, you know, big up everybody with support and we tune in. I want to thank ReniGad for pass through and show we what go on. Remember to check out the YouTube page and the Instagram page so you can get to see the full video and everything that we are push out. Big up Content Kings. Big up Chef Dave Paul, Gourmet Catering, right? 111B Mullines Road. Big up everybody who support. Big up on yourself and stay tuned, alright?
Sure.
Mad.